Hello my subscribers and fans all around the world. One thing you should understand, that doing palm oil or going into palm farming is very good. You know, understand? It is very good. But there are some things that you need to know. Now, looking at me in this video, I want to tell us something. And what I'm going to be sharing in this video is very important. And if I were you, I will stick to the very end of this video, which I'll be sharing us very important information. You know, understand? Now, this is what I want to say first. Starting an oil palm farming is good. You know, understand? It's very good. But there are some things you need to understand. And what is that? The work. Yes, everything that is rewarding has a lot of stress. You know, understand? So what is there is, looking at me, I'm sitting here. This thing were so many here, but we have done half of it. Sorry I could not show you guys the processes at which we were removing this thing. Now, some people might be saying, "Sir, you did not show us the processes at which these things are removed." Now, this is the reason why I'm making this video right now this morning, to show us the processes at which the seed, which you're seeing in this video now, how they are being discharged from the tongues. You understand? So let's go. But if you have watched this video to this extent, or this is the first time you're coming across my channel or seeing my face, which I know you might not like my face, you understand? What you do for us is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, just like this one you're watching right now, because it is your number one, your favorite agriculturist, Emeka and Josie Agri. Now, back to what we are saying. Now, this is the processes at which these things are removed. Now, watch in this video as I take you guys through the processes. You know, understand? Let's go. Just stick to this video and let me show you how it is done. Some people say, I know that there are machines which can be used to separate these things. Yes, but you cannot keep waiting for the machines now. Normally, I like doing my own things locally. You don't understand? Okay. So when we are industrial, then we start using industrial machines. So for now, this is how it is being removed. Are you seeing what I'm doing? If you have watched this video to this extent, that simply means you're enjoying my content and you're enjoying everything we are doing here. That simply means I'm not doing anything boring. So what you will have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you're notified anytime we post a new video, just like this one you're watching right now. I don't like to make my videos too long. it is done manually. So I'll see you guys in the next video. So we want to rush up to finish this, and I don't like my videos to be too long.